Welcome back to Colorado Goes Supreme. We've got a series of videos discussing the Baca case. This case is a special case because it has it all. It's the basis of our constitutional democracy. What does that mean? It means we adopted a constitution as a nation, and the Constitution is supreme law, which means if a state adopts a law or Congress adopts a law and the law is inconsistent with the Constitution reigns supreme and overrides the ordinary law. Turns out the Constitution is really hard to change. We've only had 27 amendments, and the first 10 came in the Bill of Rights. One of the amendments is the 12th Amendment. That's actually going to be at issue in this case. It's hard to amend the Constitution, so that means when the Supreme Court interprets the Constitution, that's often the last word. And what the Supreme Court has to do is look at all the tools they can. What's the text of the Constitution? What's the purpose behind the language? How has the Constitution been adopted and used over the years? Because we've been a constitutional democracy for 230 years. We look at all these things and we make our arguments as advocates of the Supreme Court. The other side makes their arguments. In this case, I'm defending Colorado's law, which says electors can be required to vote the same way the people of Colorado vote. The other side's arguing that our law violates the Constitution. Come middle of May, we'll argue it to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court will have the final word. So stay tuned.